Badwam so and on when you go so Adom TV. Every we do see there we can see no and some and Bremasada Kese no and come a game park and I feel so no Kingdom Heba amono and I saw yesterday see if I can see no and some and Bremen some paso ye shall see if and now what we fish chest to dona etoja Europe ye na ye fan EPO ye shed now what you matches in the immunity. Inti interest na first chest no etie na se be ya obi abehu team awo se o team no ya de Chelsea na wo che wie ye be kosisen oda ni weni e de kire nyame ayadoma machama che se ba so ni Brentford and Liverpool e be bo Samson na Burnley and Arsenal e de bet Tyso Samson na Fulham and Aston Villa, Newcastle United and Bournemouth and e be bo Nottingham Forest and West Ham United and Tottenham Hotspur and Wolves and e be bo Manchester United and no and a team match of the week Manchester City and our face to Chelsea. A match mobile D Manchester City for Omania Chelsea for so we be on the dano and into many every years. Then kwesi other matches boss no Sheffield United and Brighton and Wolves Albion. Samsung Luton Town and Manchester United and Ebebo. Samsung Monday match about Ebetoja no Everton and a Crystal Palace. When matches Ebetoja EP on the end any enfanche Spanish La Liga and what we matches Ebetimi Atutoja or the new any editor matches Ebetoja kwesi other and the member in Fidel so matches no say and Ebet Abeko Villarreal and Getafe and Abebo Atletico de Madrid and Las Palmas and Ebesi Akan Samsung Osasuna and Cadiz and Abebo Samsung Celtic and FC Barcelona match with Imobedin match with Betima 2.5 and match with Imobedin Yepa Samsung Valencia and Sevilla and Ebeso so Samsung Real Vallecano and Real Madrid this one of the matches and also Emu Ebeyedi Yepa Granada and Almeria Ebebo Samsung Mallorca and Real Sociedad Ebebo Real Betis and Deportivo Alaves and Ebesi Akan Samsung Atletico de Club Madrid and General also any matches and I say General yes and the matches Ebetimia Toja until now what area odani weni ediche Europa matches no do na betoja odani weni ediche Samsung German Bundesliga na matches no do na ebetoja French League 1 and so matches na ebetoja until Brentino we mu kejwa na e wose yede emam yenda yeni emfa chance emfufro ma odani weni ediche parliamenta ho so ewriye pa onum se Ghana football no e ho nsem ababebre na enche na demo bi e sha se Save Ghana Sports na odani weni ediche Mashebedwem deputy speaker edema Mashebedwem ose chairman sabonso Eden sem atuja say Okoshin Ghana Football Association no se bi omo gina omo na so yi no omo hye Ghana football say omo hwehwe nyama bi mu se bi ya Ghana Football Association no and I say Ghana football e be fan to my pay fra
some time to be able to develop the talent that we have. Again, when Cameroon went to the World Cup and distinguished themselves, I guess the sports writers remember that at the time they passed through Ghana to play some friendly match. 2 friendly matches we played. At the time we didn't have a blaster. We had dissolved our blasters. They played against our under 21, featuring Abdalikuma, Shamokwe, Joe Debra, Thomas Boachi, and others. They struggled to draw. So
majority leader Edema MPP Mashebetrim and so and I would say in Kanyenko bank roller and office owner the man structure my also a MP e was Sunyani West constituency and also the no sem etuja e fan same way.
Takes somebody who is bold enough to invest in football in Ghana because the returns are not rewarding enough. The returns are not rewarding enough because people are not patronizing our matches and all investment you make into the teams are not actually paid for. So certainly it takes only those who are bold enough and persons who are prepared to make sacrifices to say that yes, I'm going to invest in the game. I want to believe that going forward, perhaps we should be thinking of getting public funding to support the development of the game in the country. And this we can do, perhaps government not doing it directly, but giving incentives to companies to sponsor leagues and perhaps getting tax rebates as a return for their
Honorable Bafo Ewa and I would see an Endani Enfanche Parliament Honoma member Edman Temali North Alhassa Suhini or purchase the AstroTurf Vibrina Abina at this way as a waste of money.
And the minister speaks of support that the government has given to the Black Stars and other national teams. Mr. Speaker, support is not enough. Support should be left for the ordinary Ghanaian, the ordinary football fan who takes pride in the victory of the teams. Support is not enough. What we require now are reforms, structural reforms. And we need to begin by interrogating the budget that was presented and the amount the minister says has been utilized. The devil, they say, is in the details. Because this performance that the Black Stars put up cannot be worth $3.5 million US. And so let us not beat our chest over savings that are made, especially when our budget was already even inflated if you compare it to other countries' budgets. Mr. Speaker, I want to once again reiterate the fact that when we have money to invest in sports development, we should be looking at courts development, we should be looking at the local league development and not, investing in AstroTurfs and other such grandiose projects that do not.
Alhassa Suhini and so NHS says the Udani we need to check on AstroTurfs and dosu. Name a waste of money. As that case here and Coma Kingdom Herbal Center, Omo and Oma Soya Senesi and Fadumedi and Bremo. Kingdom Garlic Bitters, so a bear mana so immune system na ekofuma nyebi ebe bon ho ban na low blood pressure, ebe cholesterol, and also reduce sugar level no ema oyi pa entin we and jume kwa Oma Soya na Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules. Power capsules. Oh yeah, bema I was I can't say draw PRO draw anope bia obobi. International baby jumano. Now why skirmishes in with you? What I say? It's a dra a yard pa. Opedudo no etu akọ Kingdom Herbal Center. Ewo kashi drug lane. Ne number no 0536 149961 0536 149961 and that's 0303 93 9987 0303 9987 we ni ejumekwa omoboy asene and aso moso yasene se amfa dwumedi embrem sansona game park yes more mula more power scan de and one say be ma se uni ska uti se joint nti won say be ma de o ma botom eyedu won say be ma de o ma botom eyedu nti pick one ye de aba say be ma we si so na so uni ska chema vows day chema sana avede ayi nti be ma de o so uni ska dial star 964 hash star 964 hash all networks na follow prompt no live draw no ebaso Adom TV 9 a.m. 12 p.m. and available 6 p.m. live draws ni nyina beba so nti undie eya no atena Adom TV ho so online no nti di answer wa bo star 964 hash no we di usika yen koso ne yen da yen fa che insemfufro ma the 2024 KGL Millennium Marathon no ebaso enra afi mu enomanya 10 years na enra enomo pa dwumedie ni ho nyina entoma na dwumedie no mpinfo dodo na edumanim die ene omanim onyam ebeta dwumedie n'echi yen hwe se na ekoso afi Millennium Marathon no enya infiedu enra enomo pa ho entoma ewo KGL Foundation one office enra ewo dwumedie na se no mpinfo dodo na edumanim onyam ene omanim die ebeta dwumedie n'echi director eda dwumedie ano Madam Catherine Morton edinsemu etudwa.
Over the past decade, the Millennium Marathon has evolved from a vision into a reality, growing in stature and significance with each passing year. What began as a humble endeavor has now become a beacon of excellence in the world of sports, attracting participants from across the globe and uniting communities in the spirit of competition and solidarity. Since our inception in 2015, the marathon has captured the hearts and minds of thousands, both locally and internationally. It has transcended mere competition to become a symbol of unity, health, and a community spirit. Today, as we mark the journey towards the 2024 edition, we are reminded of the resilience and determination that defines us as Ghanaians and as global citizens. For our cash prizes this year, the marathon continues to reward excellence and inspire greatness. In our 21 or half marathon category, the top 3 finishers, both male and female, would receive a generous cash prize of 75,000 Ghana cedis, with the second place finishers being rewarded with 50,000 cedis each, and the third place finishers receiving 35,000 cedis each. Additionally, recognition extends beyond the podium as attractive prizes await those achieving the 4th to the 25th position, the first of its kind in our past 10 years. To register for the marathon, simply visit our website at millenniummarathon.com or dial the short code *800*17# to secure your spots on the starting line.
Deputy Sports Minister Evans Opoku Bobie and so de nenumsem etuja.
I take this opportunity to congratulate Millennium Marathon Sports Limited for a successful 10 years journey in their quest to the health of participants through marathon events. The Millennium Marathon 2024 serves as a dynamic platform fostering collaboration among a diverse array of stakeholders, including international and local runners of the marathon, as well as businesses in Ghana. This distinctive gathering brings together participants from the realm of sports, tourism, and investment, encompassing government bodies, sports organizations, tourism boards, investors, and local enterprises. It has been branded the KGF Millennium Marathon since 2023 due to the excellent organizational skills and vision of the Millennium Marathon Sports Limited. I will call upon corporate Ghana on this note.
I guess you must and when you go to ocean or Asada Casino and Coma Game Park, South Kingdom Heba, Omatachi, Sienfa Gusim, and some emblem. Millennium Marathon 2024, a very brutal into a gun and Bibia or Shebiano, or so do Jimna, Medino, a crabeshe. Yanko Songo steak, and pay near their Songo, countryman Songo, or Edemai Songo, Otomika. Ojana Shiwa.
Yeah, good
More fire.
Good morning.
Songo.
Can be able to
Ojana Shiwa.
Fantastic. Okay, that's.
I'm the Songo and Timinke.
I'll pay me for black.
Okay.
No? I like your black.
Okay. Songo, I'll pay Bibi Aboko.
Yeah, actually, Bibi Aboko. I'm Zotamika.
More fire, more fire, more fire, more fire, more fire.
Fantastic.
More fire.
All right. Okay, me cut Songo steak and I'll pay. Now, look at the situation. Your woman say, now, over Ghana, in the latest FIFA ranking, you are dropping to 67. In the world, you was 67. Ghana, latest FIFA ranking, you are dropping to 67. And I'm 14th in Africa. This means that Ghana could no longer be seeded when we are playing any qualifier or tournament. And you be CD Ghana beam. Na sesano ma we nyina asisi a. Na sebi usi wonim nyansa. Wani hu ade sebi. Musi football. Esi. Utasi. Uti Ghana asa we sports people. Nemu gofu. Committee. So how to be sports presenters. Common Formula 1 what is Formula 1? What in American? So mun sports a jumane ye. Enye mo juma but mo se mo pese mo sua. Na se ye kira mo sports de ya. Na mo se mo fra mo sports presenters a. Enye sika gye bribe. Gigi, your Tom Anthony. Namudi Akan Adia. For multi parliament. Parliamentarians in nine say football, I say. And yet, perform or see it to me a day, a or see it to me a day, a football. Now look at Ghana now. Look at Ghana's situation. The whole world, Ghana dropping about 67 out of football ranking. Even the whole Africa. So I would say, we are sports journalists, we are sports administrator. Unimbo Mupa Ghana last time any Ghana football United me and drop it. Our African ranking, I had that 14th. Africa in a country so many more Ghana to 14th. Ayode. Oh yes, sports presenter. Oh yes, sports journalist. Who could see I didn't know him. Yet chill no, Sani yet chill. Say for Gigi Spa be in bed with that so-called football people. Sir, so-called football people now. Seven, they are greedy. Omo, a dishonest. GFF for Omo, very dishonest. What I say, and Omo to me of fire be of football. Start current FFO, GFFO, head, and then go for. Omo, very, very dishonest. Very, very, and Omo mushy, arrogant. Omo nima diye so be out of football musa. And so I say me so woman football match and to football. Empony in Ghana, FIFA ranking, you did that 67. Africa, Odiembla Africa, 4 times champions, 4 times African Cup, African champions, and then Ghana, Yaji under 17 World Cup, Yaji under 20 World Cup, my World Cup, Women's World Cup, Ghana, Yakubita, and then in the 14th away football.
Yeah.
What was a journalist? What was we Gina out 10 solid minutes.
Okay.
Moba, Namusha time in the year. They should be the last.
More fire.
10 solid minutes.
More fire.
More
fire.
Musi a presenter Monoma, very professional.
More fire.
They should be any concert twice would be
more fire.
The second time.
More fire.
Please, I've got a lot to talk about within this 10 minutes. Because Ghana football, I say. Ghana football, I say.
More fire.
And then go for a person money, you know. Eye Canada, no more to escamo, ne and Kurano, and me to me football.
More fire.
Ranking baby, I can't let you do football.
More fire. More fire. Ojane Shewa. More fire. Intino. More fire.
TV for fire.
More fire.
We shall do now. Everything, papa. Also, everything. You are buying a team popular. More rest will be to me. I think this was so any bresso.
Yeah, that's it.
You know, I buy the picture of them on the Kula. Everything you papa was a gun buying it to be popular. More to me, a day, and no things are more fire. More band, plan about football be so be it.
More fire.
More fire. More fire.
Inti countryman Songo and can and Amotiano, ewo Songo stake. Inti anopen so Songo air patches say Ghana football no. Akofom also I was saying no who say Ghana football is here the FIFA ranking that's 67th over Africa in 14th so na Songo kano into Ghana football no a decline as that case here and Coma Kingdom Herbal Center omo the Kingdom Garlic bitters and the Kingdom Garlic capsules at the abas as na Kingdom ginseng power capsules opedudo no etu akọ okayashi drug lane obenye bi friend e was 0536 14966 9961 0536 149961 and 030-393-9887 030-393-9987 sounds na game pack oye bema e wo so onye sika gu botom what I say na birthday dey bi busumi na egusu wo na wo so onye sika na odi twa ho nti odi ohia and so be fa phone na wadale *946# star 946 hash. I put a pick from number 1 to number 30. Maybe I'll be picking 36 from 1 to 36. Just dial your number star 964 946 star 946 hash star 946 hash. Udem scano ebe gunsem na bibia akoso. Intino live draw no ebeba so ewa Adom TV anope 9 a.m. Samsung area 12 p.m. and then 6 p.m. Na watra no says usika no abegu nsem na bibia ekoso no when ejimeku a woso masene nsem fa ukensem no nsem embrem ene na Rafael Dwam na so yeja ne kwan na yakakada chini prebrebro ewo adriga no astrotefnis no ntu ye Ghana ni a odani wani editor adriga no a Rafael Dwam na the late Adema Obobo Adema the senior national soccer team the Blasters of Ghana nyame emfa ne kra NCA pa asida kese enkoma Sergio Manucho and Professor Ike Wallace so mo bomechi semifa ukensem no ensem embrem e obedwam so medin etinyame ba Bernard Padibutri.